Is LG Velvet, and let me show you how to customize text-to-speech feature. So at first you have to open the settings, now go to System, and here click on Language and Keyboard. Now tap on text-to-speech output, and right here you can personalize it. So at first you can select the language, here you got all the options, you can pick system language or you can choose one from the following list, and then you can personalize the setup. So here you can change the speech rate, and here pitch change. So let me preview the default setup.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
But you can change pitch.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
And also rate.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
Maybe I will just slow it down a bit.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
And it can stay this way. Obviously, if you'd like to go back to default values, just tap on reset. And now you've got the start setup. So this is it. So you can activate and personalize text-to-speech feature. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.